Took me 6 hours to drive here and it's already 7 p.m. I've got about 3.5 miles to go before I get to where I want to camp. Oh, whew, it's cold out here. Oh, these rocks are killing me. I've flipped my car or had to adjust my load so many times so far. This is really slowing me down. Well, it's about 9 p.m. and I haven't eaten dinner yet. I made it about 3.5 miles, so I'm pretty darn close to the end of the trail. I think I need to just go ahead and set up my tent. It is late and I am cold and wet. This tundra is so lumpy, I gotta find a flat spot. Ugh. I think this is about as flat as I'm gonna get. Ugh. Inside of my backpack got a little wet, but my sleeping bag's dry. Yeah, one of the first things I gotta do is dry my gun.